this is our video clip and I want to add a background music with this clip. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to import our video, and now it's time to choose the background music. So here I downloaded already the background music, so I'm going to import this over here. So I'm going to drag it and drop it here. It will be added like this way. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to actually adjust the sound effect of this background music, and then we can add it over here. So what we need to do, if we move our cursor over there after selection of that music, so this is the music, right? So if we try to play it, then we'll hear that it's very difficult to understand the voice. So what I'm going to do, I have to select this what is called this background music, and there is a small arrow like yellow button line is there, right? So we just need to decrease the volume of this thing. Okay, and then after that if we try to play it, then it will be okay. So in this way we can adjust the volume also, and then we can add it with the video clip, and after that we can export it basically. So that's it. In this way we can easily add the background music with our video.